Uh, okay guys, 2007 Toyota Camry. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace all the engine mounts and transmission mount. As you can see, I have all the parts here. Always replace original parts. Okay. Okay. So first thing, we're gonna lift up the car. Okay. After lifting up the car, then we're gonna remove the two front tires. Okay. Okay. As you can see, already removed the tires. Uh, then we want to start with the left side with the transmission mount. Okay. So we're gonna need a 19mm socket, and we're gonna remove this nut here. Okay. Okay. After removing the nut from the transmission mount, then we're gonna remove this bolt here from the one that is in the front by the radiator. Okay. So let me remove it. Okay. So now we're gonna come to the right side and remove the nut from the engine mount, the one on the right side. Okay. So let me remove that. Okay. After removing the three 17mm nuts from the engine mount, then we're gonna remove this engine mount here, the one on the right side, the one on the top. We're gonna use a 14mm here. We're gonna remove these three bolts, one here, and this one here. Okay. Okay. As you can see, already removed the bolts. Now we're gonna remove the mount. Okay. Okay. So now we're gonna lift up the car. Okay. After lifting up the car, then we're gonna go to the transmission mount again. We're gonna remove these three nuts, 17mm nuts. Okay. So let me remove that. Okay. So now we're gonna use this guy here, and we're gonna lift up the engine. Okay. So we can remove the transmission mount. Okay. Okay, as you can see, already lifted up. So now we're gonna remove the transmission mount. Okay, as you guys can see, I already have the new part here. So let me put it in place. Okay, as you can see, I already put a transmission mount in place. Now we're gonna put the three nuts in the bottom. Okay. Okay. After tying the nuts from the transmission mount, then we're gonna go to and remove these three nuts from the engine mount, the one by the radiator. Okay. We're gonna remove these three nuts in the bottom. Okay. Okay, then we're gonna come to the right side and remove these 3 nuts from the engine mount on the right side. Okay. Okay. Already removed the 3 nuts from the engine mount. So now we're gonna lift up the engine so we can remove the engine mount. Okay. Okay. So now we're gonna remove this engine mount. All right, man. Okay. So now we're gonna remove the engine mount. Okay, as you can see, I have the new part here. So let me put it in place. Okay, as you can see, I already put the new engine mount. Now we're gonna put the 3 nuts in the bottom. Okay. After tying the nuts from the bottom, then we're gonna load down the car. Okay. Okay. After lowering down the car, then we're gonna use the jack. Okay. After lowering down the car, then we're gonna use the jack, and we're gonna put it in the center of the engine, and we're gonna lift up the engine. Okay. We're gonna lift up the engine so we can remove this engine mount, the center engine mount. Okay. So let me do that. Okay, as you can see, already lifted up. So now we're gonna remove the engine mount. Okay. Have the new part here. Okay, I already have the new part here. So let me put it in place. Okay, as you can see, I already put the new engine mount in place. The one by the radiator. Okay, so now we're gonna load down the engine so we can put this ball here in place. Okay, after tying this ball here, then we're gonna lift up the car. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna tie this nut here from the engine mount. Okay, then we're gonna go to the left side and we're gonna put the nut in the engine mount. Okay, so let me tie that. Okay, then we're gonna go to the right side and tie the nut, the one on the right side. Okay. Okay, after tying the nut from the right side, then we're gonna load down the car. Okay, so now we're gonna put this one here, the one on the top. Okay, so let me put the bolt. Okay, so now we're gonna tie the bolt. So now we're gonna put the tires. Okay guys, that's about it. That's how to replace the engine and transmission mount. If you guys like the videos, don't forget to subscribe. That's it, and thanks for watching.